Your big ideas are absolutely worthless unless you pair them with equally big action. That's right, I am Jeff, the radio DJ dude, and I am celebrating massive action takers right now. These are folks who took part in my Radio Station Builder Pro Challenge, and some of these people spun up brand new radio stations in just a couple weeks. And I want to introduce you to a couple of these new station owners, and I want to give an honorable mention to a guy who's been around a long time but just felt like his station needed a little freshening up. Of course, I want to say thank you to everyone who entered, and congratulations to some of you who won those fun prizes. Now, in case you're new around here, what the heck are we talking about? Radio Station Builder is this brand new app that's going to help you launch your very first radio station or freshen up a station that's been around for a decade. This site does it all for you. Helps you come up with a name, a slogan, and then if you jump into the pro section, oh my goodness, this is just going to blueprint your entire radio station in a couple of clicks, saving you massive amounts of time, clearing lots of creative hurdles, so you don't have to think about all that, and you can concentrate on what really matters, injecting your unique, fun personality into the mix, and then going live with your stream. But more about that and the launch discount a little later, because I want to get right in to celebrating these folks who actually took that big step. First up is Jeff. He just flipped the switch on Omaha's ClassicHits.com. Yes, I just found out that Omaha, Nebraska is the birthplace of top 40 radio here in the US. It started back in the early 1950s, and he wanted to celebrate that genre of radio and launch his own top 40 radio station. He's an old radio guy, so check this out, Omaha's ClassicHits.com. Apparently, he did all of this in Radio Station Builder. This really sweet logo, yep, that's all handled. And then there's all of his creative imaging element, the sweepers, the jingles. Well, enough of me yapping about it. Let me play you a couple.
Music radio, Omaha's classic hits. Omaha's classic hits. Omaha's classic hits.
Pop hits at full blast. Neighbors be warned. Omaha's classic hits.
Omaha's classic hits.
And once again, Jeff hit the easy button on radio station creation by using Radio Station Builder, because in just a couple clicks, he was able to output all that original content. And you really have to understand, if you haven't done this before, sometimes it's those little creative details that really trip you up. It just throws massive hurdles in front of your progress. You know you want a station, you kind of have an idea of how you want it to sound, but then you start getting mired in the muck of having to write these scripts. How do you want the sweepers to sound? You want funny lines. Then what kind of features should I have on my station? What should my format look like my programming blueprint? And then of course there's the logo. How many times have we been sucked down graphic design rabbit holes, tweaking and tinkering with logos? Oh my God, sometimes that is the biggest time suck. Well, all that is done because right here in the Pro dashboard, I've got, an easy button for every one of those things I just told you about. And Jeff, he pushed all those easy buttons. He created his sweet logo. He, jammed with all those jingles, and he was nice enough to share this prompt. I thought some of those jingles were pretty tight. And this is the prompt to use. It's pretty simple. And yep, that prompt was generated right here using our Jingle prompt generator. That just spits out a prompt ready for Suno. And, keep in mind, and he admitted this too, and I'm always complaining, it's going to take a lot of generations until you get anything usable. But you just know that going in. And it's pretty sweet technology. I mean, you're saving thousands on a custom jingle package just for, being patient. So again, major kudos to Jeff from Omaha's ClassicHits.com. And, he wanted me to let you know it's still a work in progress. The station isn't fine-tuned. There's not a lot of voice tracks. He's still massaging the music mix, getting it all together. But here's the thing, and this is a really important lesson. He didn't wait until he had all those other pieces neatly stacked up. He just hit go, he got it out there, it's now live, and he is learning as he is going. And that's the best way. It's the whole ready, fire, aim approach. Just start shooting, and then you can correct as you go. And then eventually you get lined up and you'll be able to hit that target. But you'll never hit that target unless you start firing. Please follow Jeff's lead and get your station going. Doesn't have to be perfect, because in the beginning, no one's going to be listening. No one's going to know about your station unless your friends and family tune in. So this is a time for you to learn as you build. If Jeff's experience has got you all fired up, well, please, I invite you to go to the link in the description. All the details for Radio Station Builder are right there. Yes, I continue to run that sweet launch discount because I just want to help support you in getting your station out there as soon and as easy as possible. Don't deny your radio dream any longer. I mean, how long have you been thinking about starting that station? Well, now there's really no more excuses. I make this so push button simple. And I know you're going to feel so good. You're going to be so proud once you flip the switch on your station. So please go check all that stuff out. And if it fits, great. If not, hey, no worries. But a little later, I may, if I could get all this together, reveal a brand new feature that is coming soon to Radio Station Builder. And this, again, I don't think anyone has this feature. So stick around for that. But up next, I want to give a big old shout out and honorable mention to Israel, all the way in Haiti.
Hey Jeff, how you doing?
His station, RadioHaitiFusion.com. It's been cranking online for 24 years. About 5 years ago, he got his FM license. So he is serving Haiti. He is just, pumping out really important information for his fellow countrymen and women. It's not easy, as you can imagine. And in a future video, I'm going to do a station profile and really crack deeper into Israel's journey, his story, and just the history behind Radio Haiti Fusion. Thank you, buddy, for taking part in the challenge. And finally, welcome to the virtual stage, Ray. This guy got bit by the radio bug when he was a Cub Scout and he visited his first radio station. But at that moment, he knew it. He had to get into it. And in the late 80s, he did. He was on radio. What this guy really did, which I'm so impressed with, over 20 years ago, he launched his first internet radio station. I mean, really back then, internet radio was far from cool. Few, were doing it. It was tricky. But today, he is rocking 11 different online stations. And when he saw Radio Station Builder, it kind of fired him up because it just clicked. Now it's so easy to spin up a station. Why the heck not? And he did it. And he launched OneWonderRadio.com. This is your home for all one-hit wonders. I mean, don't you love that? That is a great concept. And again, so easy just to try this out now. And he did. I want to share with you some of his cool imaging elements that he created with Radio Station Builder, both some sweepers and some jingles.
One Wonder Radio, the home of one hit wonder.
One Wonder Radio, home of the one-night stands of the music industry.
These songs topped charts, broke hearts, and vanished. No worries, we've got their forwarding address. One Wonder Radio.
OneWonderRadio.com, the home of one hit wonder.
Again, it's a new station. He's still tweaking it, but he didn't wait. He just pushed that easy button, and now OneWonderRadio.com. It's alive. It's a real thing. And I definitely urge you to check it out. So congratulations, Ray. Keep rocking your mics on your 11 different stations. That's pretty cool. I want you to help support all these people that you just heard about. We have Jeff with Omaha's ClassicHits.com. You just heard Ray's OneWonderRadio.com. And then there's RadioHaitiFusion.com from our buddy Israel. That's how they did it, and that's how you can do it too. Radio Station Builder. Check out the details in the description. Okay, this is a nutty thought that I had. I wondered, for anyone kind of new to radio, or maybe you've been in it for a while and you just want to get better. Well, unless you have, kind of a seasoned mentor, but I mean, in the old days, that was your program director. And honestly, a lot of my old program directors, I wouldn't go to them for advice. But I created this special tool where it's a Jock Doctor, the Jock Doc. and you just upload a short, like 90-second air check or demo tape, and it is going to analyze your audio, your demo, based on a number of really important factors, a number of, metrics that I have set up. I gave it a template. I have a knowledge base of what it should check for and what I think makes, a good radio DJ. And then you'll get a score. It'll grade you on a couple different elements, and then, more important, give you tips on how to improve. It's going to tell you where you're shining, and then it'll help you, get better in the areas maybe where you need a little more work. So this tool eventually will be rolled out as part of Radio Station Builder. But if you get in now, you can take advantage of the launch discount and you save a little money. But I'll let you know once this becomes more of a reality and how you can access this, because I am just continually blown away what is now possible. And that's just what I want to keep impressing upon you. If you can dream it, you can do it. AI will help you make all your fantasies reality. I had this idea in the morning. By the afternoon, I had it built out. This really isn't tough stuff, people. I know some of you are intimidated by tech. Maybe AI scares you, but don't. You have to cozy up. You have to get really friendly with this new beast, because it is eventually going to be our overlord. So why not try to tame this beast by learning how to put it to work for you? And by doing so, you only make yourself, you make your station sound bigger and better because of what you could turn out that was never possible before. Okay, that rant is over. Hope you enjoyed this. I hope you go support some of those big action takers. And that's really the goal of, all these videos, all my nutty ideas. I mean, these are just ideas. They die once this video ends. The only way they make a difference and they could really help take your station to another level is if you implement them. Take big action. It's something you'll be proud of, and it's really the only way to grow and get better. So, more details on all this silliness in the description. I am Jeff, the radio DJ dude, and if you dug at least 4% of this video, wow, the bar keeps getting lower and lower. Do you notice that? I don't care. It's just shameless. It's a shameless attempt for a like and subscribe from you. I do thank you very much. Not that any of that really matters anymore, but feel like it's something I have to say. But I am done saying everything. I'm tired. Until our next little radio rendezvous, you keep rocking those mics all over the world.